Alright, so we have a new update. So now we have Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series. You saw this vacuum in the video of vacuuming a very dirty house May 4th, 2019. Well, guess what? She actually didn't want this, so my grandparents are here, and I went to prom last night. It was great. All right. Now, I know I had this machine before in April 2018. I got it on March 31st, 2018, but it's just the same. So, last time I didn't have mine for long, like that. And if you're wondering about this, again, this does not belong to me, so it belongs to my mom's nail polisher. So, yeah, I know. And like, the problem is it has the handle won't recline, but it does run. I know I had a yellow GT07 before, and the Hoover T-Series pause. I'll plug it in for you. It does run. Oh, come on. Alright, so when you're there we go, now it's plugged in. Get ear protection on. When you always Alright, oh, and the last one I had, it did not have this label. It says no loss of suction, pet hair, grab pet hair from. Oh, this is what pause means. It means pet approved wind tunnel system. Pet approved wind tunnel system. I like it. Alright, so here's how it sounds. Oh, and in my last one, I don't think it came with this attachment. So it did not come with that. So, and it did not come with the turbo brush. But I saw the turbo brush in her closet. Maybe the next time I vacuum her house, I'll get it. I'll get that turbo brush. So, let me pull the cord, some cord all the way out. There, yellow mark. All right, here we go. Alright, so now it's working good. So let's move on upstairs and I'll show you the update.